guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley and I am the crochet designer and business strategist here behind A Crafty Concept. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Instagram analytics to see how your hashtags are doing on your posts. Hashtags are one of the best tools you can use for discovery on Instagram, and you need to be able to see if the hashtags you are using are actually working, and if they're not, you can adjust your strategy accordingly. The only thing that you need to be able to check your hashtag analytics on Instagram is a business account or a creator's account, I believe. But if you have a personal account, this will not be accessible to you. So let's hop on over to my phone screen and I will show you exactly step by step how to check your hashtag analytics. First, let's open our Instagram app and click on the profile button so you can see your most recent Instagram posts, and then click on the picture that you want to see the hashtag analytics for. I'm going to click this cute bitty boho bag picture. Now you're going to scroll down until you see this view insights button right here in the middle of my screen. I'm going to click that and then scroll up just to make the window a little bit bigger. Scroll down until you see impressions down here in the left-hand side of the screen, and then it says from home, from explore, from hashtags, bingo. So I only got 119 impressions from my hashtags for this post. That is significantly low for my posts in general. So now I'm just gonna check these hashtags that I posted. There they are. Now I know to take a look at those hashtags, see which ones might need changed, and see if I can do better with hashtags in the future. Let's just check one more post just to see if other hashtags have done better for me. View Insights. That time I clicked View Insights right here in the left-hand side of my screen because it's not as recent of a post, so it looks a little different. So click View Insights, make the page big again, scroll down to see from hashtags is 25,000 impressions. So this hashtag group was much better than the hashtag group for the bitty boho bag, and you can see the hashtags here. Check out the different hashtags and you can see why one group did better than the other. Not necessarily why, but the differences between the two groups of hashtags. This one is more crochet yarn related. The other one was more Etsy and business related. So obviously my crochet and yarn related hashtags do a little bit better than my business related hashtags, but both of these posts did really well because my audience likes crochet things and my audience also likes business things. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. I know this video was super quick. If you want more crochet business tips videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am posting videos at least once a week, sometimes more. And if you want easily digestible tips for your crochet business, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I am posting things multiple times a week over there to help you grow your crochet business to be as successful as you want it to be. That's all that I have for today. I will see you in the next video.